In this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram account. First, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account that you want to delete. And once you're in the app, click on profile picture located at the bottom right corner to access your profile. Next, look for three horizontal lines in the top right corner and you will land on screen like this. Now here in the settings, look for account center. You will find this at the top, so click on it, and this is where you can manage your connected accounts and settings. In the account center, click on personal details, and here you will find options related to your account information. Now choose account ownership and control, and this section allows you to manage the ownership and setting of your account. And it will bring you to a screen like this. Here you can see we have two options, so choose deactivation or deletion to proceed. And you will land on screen like this. Here you can see we have two options. The first is the deactivate and the other is delete. So choose delete. Now here Instagram will ask you for the reason. So choose the reason and then again click on continue. And then follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Remember, this section is irreversible and all your data will be permanently lost.